What's up, guys? So today we have another install, but it's gonna be a little different this time. Today we're gonna be working on a buddy of mine's BRZ. It's pretty nice. I like it. Just he might have it a little dirty right now, I'm not sure, but because he dailies it. But we're gonna be installing some BC coilovers, so let's go meet him up and check it out. Did you find the key for the lug nuts?
It has to be you.
Well, if we can't take the wheels off, we can't do the job.
Yes, we can. We have an impact on.
But you need the key.
I know. Shit.
Let's go look for the impact.
Alright, let's go look for the impact.
Somebody got a charge one. Oh god. That's a mini-me one.
Now we only use the big ones.
Doesn't even work. I don't think it charged.
This one's charged, isn't it?
Look how much battery life we got left on it. Oh, this one's full.
It was just somewhere. It had to fall back to.
Dang.
What was it?
Right there in your trunk, bro.
Was it in my trunk for real?
Yeah. It fits. This is it.
That's the only one in my trunk here. You found it?
Yeah, this is it.
What was it?
I'm telling you, on your trunk. In open view. Plain view.
No, I never emptied my trunk.
I think you did all for no reason.
This impact might not be enough.
How tight can that possibly even? That's why you don't take your car to shops, bro.
I was like, damn, even this thing isn't getting
He
it.
broke the cross.
What the fuck?
There's no way that should be that tight.
Those wheels are on forever, bro.
Holy shit, it was tight as fuck on there, dude. God damn.
I never broken a cross though.
What the hell?
I've never seen this shit happen. I've never seen this shit happen. What the fuck?
Did I ever tell you I got really bad luck?
I can see.
Hell no.
That's fucking crazy, bro.
Oh. Damn.
Got it.
Now you
Only
got.
9 more to go.
Come on.
Get the last one.
Watch out.
Are you gonna take your car again to make a shop
For what?
to tighten your lug nuts?
No.
Good.
It's only the front. The back should be fine. Because I did it back myself.
Oh.
$40 though. But it's like magnetic. $40. Hell yeah. done deal with like seized up bolts when change your oil.
Yeah.
It works perfectly. It does not leak nothing already.
Is that top end link? The center got stripped?
Yeah.
I do mess up cooking for me though.
Man, I hope these aren't as bad. I'm gonna start on these.
Alright, here, come over here.
You just put it with the two?
Nah, I'm gonna use this one.
Huh? Oh, that one fits?
Yeah. There you go. It's a little janky. It should work though, right? Meanwhile.
For now, maybe.
Meanwhile, yeah, we just do that.
Are you sure the top nut fits on top?
The top nut. Yeah, I just tested it
Oh,
out.
it still fits?
We'll see.
Does it go all the way? No, like, oh shit, it does. I guess so, till you get the other one.
Yep. Hey, look, I'm looking at my car.
Is this your first time?
No. I think that light. I put my tail lights on.
Alright, let's put the coil on. The one that has all three.
We can do both of them.
Yeah. Why would I want someone on Facebook?
Edgar likes to like ignore me on my text messages. Like I'll tell him something, he just completely ignores me.
Really? But he's really gonna text me back though.
Oh, he never texts.
He's lying.
Like, So 15 turns, see how you like it. If it's too hard for you, go down. The last thing you want to do on these things is bottom them out. That's really bad.
So they have 32 settings?
32 or 35, I can't remember.
And 15 is a sweet spot for you?
For mine, I think that's my sweet spot. Sometimes I go a little harder.
I am a brisk iced tea guy.
Get the fuck out of here. Investigation of it. Get the fuck out of here. Playing Candy Crush.
No gap. Oh, a little gap, but when that sits,
I
it's
kind of
gonna
want to
be.
see how it looks. Take it off.
That's what I want to see. Gonna be starting the back. One's gonna slam the hell out of them. Did it look slammed? Oh shit. It's gonna get slammed, right?
Those things are slamming.
Yeah, those are slammed.
Oh, bro, hold on. Not yet, not yet. No.
Look,
Now.
it's on the floor.
Right.
That looks so much nicer though.